Trucker's Garage, where we do stuff backwards. Today, I told you it was coming. We're going to get the bed off. I did a little work to the front of the frame, off camera. Like I did said in my previous video, my tripod broke on me, so I had to temporarily fix it, which it actually held it up pretty. It's holding up pretty good. I can't talk today. But yeah, we got that off, or taken care of for now. We're gonna go ahead and get the bed off. I gotta move some stuff up out of the way. So yeah, let's begin the video. Sorry about that, I thought I had the camera on. Anyway, I got the look like baggies. I put, on this one I put front of frame. So, I just gotta find a place to put them to where I know where they're at. And then, this one's for the bed bolts. Typically the bolts on the bed are actually 8, but I think we lost 2 of them somewhere along the road, or before we got the bed truck. Somebody took the bed off and only put 6 back. But bed bolts, professionally cataloged. Anywho, speaking of which, the bed's ready to come off, but I'm gonna go ahead and get the bumper off, so it'll be a lot easier to get the bed off. Once we get the bed off, we can start working on the back frame and get the then we'll get the cab off, which I may get it off with the lift. Same with the bed, because there's only me today, because my stepdad, or my dad, is not here. He's at work, and he probably won't be here until this weekend. And then my brother, he's in bed. He's got to work tonight. So I'll just take my cherry picker, my motor lift, and pick it up out of there like that. I think that's be the best bet. So yeah, let's get this bumper. getting that bumper off. I had 2 bolts break off, as you tell. But I can replace them. Bolts are bolts. Somewhat. Sometimes they're asshole bolts. So I got the front bumper off, which is right there, right there. So I'm going to find somewhere to put it real quick. Y'all just chill over here for a minute. Also clean up my little mess, and then we'll get the lift out and get the bed out off, and then bring it over here somewhere. Probably find a way I could stand it up or something, because if not, it's going to be in my way of stuff. So let's get that taken care of. So stay right here for a minute. Moved. I just don't know where I'm going to put it. Yeah, I do. Just let me put it over here. So I'm going to measure my ceiling height to my bed height and see. I know it's, I think it's an 8-foot bed. Could be wrong. Let's find out. Y'all come over this way. Fit right behind the bed. Won't mess with my door. I can still open the door, got my bike out. So let's it's gonna be fun because I'm by myself. I'm gonna get these tail lights out. Off, so that way that'll come off the front. So, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for more videos.